If you ever done sitting meditation before, you would know all the benefits that come along with that. The feeling of bliss, peacefulness, relaxation, tranquility. However, I found that the standing meditation is a lot more powerful for me. Hello. Welcome, my name is Matthew Sunshine, and today we are going to do a standing meditation. If you would like to join along with me, what we're going to first do is we're going to find a comfortable position. Try to keep your feet flat to the ground, and I want you to just kind of loosen up. Take any kind of movements you feel necessary to be able to relax, whether it's a big shake or just a little bit of flow. Smooth, gentle flow. Let's take some big breaths in. Release. In. Release. One last one. In. Alright, bend your knees a little bit and pretend like you're sitting on a stool that has one leg on it. So you don't want to put too much weight onto it, just a little bit. And you'll want to lean back slightly. Now focus in on your back. You don't want to have your butt sticking out. You want to tilt your pelvis in, so your spine is erect and straight. Next, bring your hands out in front of you like you're hugging a tree. Have your palms faced inward towards your heart. And your elbows just hang gently. Try not to go like this and have them too high up into the sky. You don't want them all the way down like this either. You want it right there in the middle where it's comfortable. Comfortable that you could stay there for a while. You could also pretend like you're holding a big paper ball. So you'll want to apply a little bit of pressure. But not too much that you'll break it. Now let's shift focus back into our knees, and let's imagine another type of ball. This time it's a rubber ball, like a yoga ball, small enough to fit inside there. So we'll want to squeeze inward to keep it into place. Now if any point through this something's really annoying you, like you have a bug on your neck, or you just really feel like jerking your body, just do it. It's okay. I'd rather see you do that than just to give up this practice, right? Next, let's bring focus back into our neck. And we don't want our chin way up in the air. We don't want it all the way down either. We want to find right and nice, right in the middle. Slightly tucked. Now our eyes, we can keep them open. I am going back and forth from keeping them open to slightly open to completely shut. I often like to do this with my eyes shut. However, if you are in nature and you would like to take in the beautiful scenery, you could open your eyes. I would still suggest not to keep them wide open, but just barely open. And we're going to sink in. If you got this far, congratulations. You might be wondering, why are we even doing this? Well, if you ever done sitting meditation before, you would know all the benefits that come along with that. The feeling of bliss, peacefulness, relaxation, tranquility. However, I found that sitting meditation is actually harder for me to do. And while it's an amazing practice, and I highly recommend it to anyone, the standing meditation is a lot more powerful for me. When I stand, my blood can circulate throughout my entire body. Yet when I sit, I feel like this is a hose being crunk. And the water has a hard time flowing through it. It also gives the body more of something to do, something to think about, active participation. You have to stand. You have to keep standing. You can keep on thinking about the points I've done earlier, where you want to keep your butt tucked in. You want to keep your knees slightly bent. You want to keep your jaw slightly in. But through all this, try to relax. There is no wrong way. If you are holding an uncomfortable position, your body will ache. But as time goes on, your body will start to fix itself and align itself naturally. When I first started this practice, I had some aches, and I still do from time to time. But my body will start to readjust, and it says, oh yes, we should keep the back straight. Don't hunch over. Don't lean too much forward, etc. And what this will do over a period of time will help strengthen your posture, and you'll have better posture. Another thing, another positive of the standing meditation is that it moves the blood throughout the body, and the heart, you may feel your heart start to pump a little bit faster or a little bit stronger. It's like the most gentle exercise you can physically be doing. And a lot of the benefits you would get from exercise, you can get from just standing. When I first started the standing meditation, I used to and still do the Wim Hof breathing method, where you take 30 deep breaths and hold your breath for a while and then release. Doing this brings oxygen to the blood, and it's a really nice feeling. So I was startled and surprised that just standing here and not breathing heavily at all appears to do the same thing. It oxygenates my blood. I could tell by the feeling I get inside, and through my meditation and self-healing practice, I found that when I close my eyes and if I could see lights like purple or green, that's my cue that my blood is being oxygenated and I'm being healed. You can get this from standing for just 10 minutes. Some say the benefits come over 10 minutes, and after 30 minutes, you really feel a change. Today, we're going to just do a short time, and I'm going to share to you the closing. As we close, we drop our hands down, bring them up, breathe in and breathe out. Now again, but bring your foot in towards the other one. Hands up. Prayer pose. Hands to center. Breathe in. Breathe out. As you breathe out, bring your hands and cross them and put them onto your tummy, or the dantian. Inhale in. Try to bring that energy up through your spine into the top of your head. And feel and reap the rewards of taking this time for yourself, to tune into yourself, to tune into your energy and be one with the world. Thank you to the practice. Thank you to myself. Thank you to the earth for letting me be here. And thank you to the divine above for guidance. Amen.
If you like to meditate, I hope you loved trying this. If you did, please let me know by liking this video or leaving a comment below. If you would like to learn more or experience more of a natural approach to health and wellness that includes wild food, primal movement, and self-improvement, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace, love, and sunshine.